Let's read the story, The Snow Queen. In a picturesque village nestled among snowy mountains, Kay and Gerda, two close friends, shared a bond stronger than family. They spent their days playing and exploring, reveling in the joys of childhood. However, their peaceful existence was disrupted when the Snow Queen's curse descended upon their town. One frosty evening, Kay witnessed an enchanting figure, a frosty maiden, the Snow Queen, who passed by their window, leaving a trail of icy magic behind. Unbeknownst to Kay, a splinter from the Snow Queen's magical mirror pierced his eye and lodged in his heart, infusing him with a frigid chill that turned his warm heart cold. Soon, Kay's demeanor changed. His laughter ceased, replaced by a distant and indifferent nature. His heart, once filled with kindness and affection, became icy and aloof. His friendship with Gerda dwindled, and one snowy day, the Snow Queen appeared and whisked Kay away to her ice palace. Heartbroken by Kay's disappearance, Gerda refused to accept his loss. She embarked on a perilous journey to find him, guided by her unwavering love and determination. Along the way, she encountered a myriad of challenges and encountered various characters who offered assistance and guidance. The wise old woman, dwelling in a little house amid the snow, offered counsel and a warm place for Gerda to rest. She also provided advice on finding the Snow Queen and freeing Kay from her icy grip. As Gerda ventured further, she encountered a friendly crow, whose wings carried her across perilous landscapes. She also met a kind-hearted princess who offered shelter and shared stories of love and bravery, inspiring Gerda to continue her quest. In her travels, Gerda encountered a robber girl, fiercely independent yet possessing a generous spirit. Together, they journeyed onward, facing dangers and overcoming obstacles, forging a strong bond of friendship along the way. Meanwhile, in the Snow Queen's ice palace, Kay struggled under the Queen's charm. She showered him with attention, but his heart remained cold and distant. Despite the Snow Queen's efforts to erase Kay's past memories, glimpses of warmth and love lingered in his heart. Back on her quest, Gerda eventually arrived at the Snow Queen's palace, determined to rescue Kay. Inside the ethereal palace, she found Kay in a room, entranced by the Queen's challenge, to piece together an intricate word with fragments of ice. As Kay struggled, the word, eternity, emerged in his thoughts. With Gerda's arrival and her warm embrace, Kay's frozen heart began to thaw. Her tears of joy and love melted the icy shard in Kay's eye, breaking the Snow Queen's spell. The power of Gerda's selfless love liberated Kay, and they escaped the palace together. Riding on a magical reindeer, they journeyed back to their village, where their return was met with jubilation and celebration. Kay and Gerda's bond, strengthened by their incredible journey, was restored, and the village rejoiced in their reunion. Their tale became folklore, inspiring generations with the enduring strength of love and friendship. Kay and Gerda continued their lives, cherishing each other's presence and the invaluable lessons learned through their extraordinary adventure, a testament to the unwavering power of love and the courage to overcome darkness. As they grew older, their friendship remained an unyielding beacon of warmth and companionship, a testament to the eternal strength of love that triumphed over the Snow Queen's chilling curse. Their story became a cherished legend, reminding all who heard it of the enduring power of love's warmth in the coldest of winters. The end. Please subscribe to the Teddy Bear Storytime YouTube channel and select to receive all notification. Thank you.